There we go. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, y'all. Caught an absolute
That's a behemoth.
pancake. Let's go. Subscribe for more content. Y'all, I just caught this slab bluegill. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, yep. There we go. Dude, that's a slab. It's a freaking slab. Look at this bluegill. Look at that. That's a slab. Let's go. In the waterfall. Slab bluegill. Let's go. A nice bluegill on the mini pole in the waterfall. And here's what the bluegill looks like. He's a nice, healthy bluegill. Subscribe for more content. Slab bluegill is going in the cooler for the pool pond. Alright guys, we just got back from fishing the waterfall, and let's see how many bluegill we caught. First one is going in the pool pond. First one. The second. Third one, which is absolute slab.
Oh no.
Release some. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh. You stand. Are they swimming off?
They all swim this way.
There's eight. Eight. Yep.
What are you gonna do out here?
I don't know. Ninth. 10th, a baby one. 11th. Alright, this is another slab. 12th, tank. 13th.
Let me release the last one when we get there.
Huh?
Let me release the last one.
14th. Where are they going?
Right up.
Oh yeah, they see two right there. Was this 15th or 16th?
15th, I think.
15th. 16th. 17th. 18th. 19th. And last but not least, the 20th.
That's not even worth it.
It's not? Oh, let's save that. Okay, 20th. And last but not least, the 21st bluegill going in.
Jerry Jamal. Oh, he just spit on me.
The pool pond. And side quest. While I was throwing them back, one flopped out of my hand, and it's in there. So I think I'm gonna try to get a hook and snag them. So let's see if we can do it. All right, guys, we got the bluegill. We had to snag it, but we got it. So bring it up here.
I snagged him in the mouth.
You got him.
He should live.
So let's go and let's get a proper release on him. Okay.
Get that slab going.
Okay. Let's get these swims off. Yep. He's